Hi, welcome to the Omar Farouk Biologist. We are studying the anatomy of spinal cord. In the previous video, we have seen the cross section of spinal cord and we have learned that in spinal cord the gray matter is present at the center in butterfly shape. And this gray matter is surrounded by white matter. In this video, we have going to learn that this gray matter, which is present at the center of spinal cord in butterfly shape, is also divided into different regions because this gray matter is also functionally organized. Each half of the gray matter is divided into different regions that is named as, this half of gray matter is called dorsal horn, this half of gray matter is called lateral horn, and this half of the gray matter is called ventral horn. Dorsal horn, this much lateral horn, and this half of the gray matter is known as ventral horn. These are the different regions of the gray matter. And the center canal is also present in the center of the gray matter. Center canal is filled with CSF fluid. It is filled with CSF fluid, cerebrospinal fluid, which is present in the central nervous system. So the gray matter is divided into three regions of gray matter. First region is dorsal or posterior horn, second region is ventral or anterior horn, and the third one is lateral horn. Now, the dorsal or posterior horn of the spinal cord of the gray matter of the spinal cord contains cell bodies of interneurons on which afferent neurons terminate. And ventral anterior horn of the gray matter of spinal cord contains cell bodies of efferent motor neurons that are supplying skeletal muscles. And the third horn, that is lateral horn, contains the cell bodies from which the autonomic nerve fibers originates. The autonomic nervous system is the part of peripheral nervous system, and this nervous system controls the involuntary actions. Thanks for watching. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you. God bless.